Hi guys, it's Jen again, coming to you today with an unboxing. Let's get into this. Okay. I can never tell with these ones where the paintings are sometimes with them. Oh, yeah, I'm glad I'm pretty sure the painting's right up to the top edge on this one. So I'm glad I am being very careful with it. Let's see if I can pull it open by hand here. All right. I'm off camera. Sorry, guys. So, this feels like a different type of canvas than more like a actual canvas that you would paint on. The back of it. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, I know what it is. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. It's one they call Stairway to Heaven. I don't remember what size it is. Came with the normal toolkit. Oh, it's tiny. 20 by 25. And it is round. Just bear with me one moment here, guys. I want to check something. So I ordered this on August the 31st. It was $5.32 Canadian from the store called Actually Home. It arrived on, I think today's Monday. Today's Tuesday. Tuesday, October 16th. So, I'm just gonna pull this back a shade here. Don't know if you can see the drill field, but it is very clear. Some strange symbols on there I'm not used to. Although I've seen them in other people's videos, like the old rabbit ear looking type of antenna. It does have the DMC codes on the side here. It is 21 colors. I'll open it this way. There's something on the canvas here. It looks like it's under the glue. Probably just a... Oh, no. Not under the glue. No, it's like maybe some dye or something. That's not working. It's just spreading it, so I'm going to leave that as it is. For how tiny it is, I think it's actually going to come out looking very nice. I wasn't sure. I've started ordering some smaller paintings. Just want to see how they're going to come out looking. Let's do, since it's such a small painting, I'm going to do a quick inventory. So I was going to show, because a friend of mine was talking about getting things mixed up. Most canvases, somewhere on them, have a serial number or item number. Sometimes it's above the chart, sometimes it's over here. It's in different spots on different ones, but usually somewhere on your bags, drills, whether it's on the drills directly or on the outside bag, there's usually a corresponding number that matches it. Some of these are in baggies and some of these are in little bags. It's a little odd. Let's flip this upside down. How many did I say? 21 colors, was it? 21. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oop. I just dropped 2 on the floor. Give me a moment. My head's gonna be in the way. And I keep hitting the camera stand. Sorry, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9. 10. I like that blue. 11. 12. It's the first time I've ever got rounds in these plastic things. I've never had them like that before. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So it's all there. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Bye for now, until the next video.